So this tutorial is going to show you how to take a document you've uploaded into Quizlet using the diagram function and to make it into a blank page review for your students. So in this case, I've taken a PDF, I've uploaded it to the diagram area of the Quizlet, and now I'm going to show you how to make it blurred and use it as a blank page review. So if you're not sure as to how to take a PDF and screenshot it and upload it into Quizlet, you can see my previous tutorial. Also, the same is the case for uploading a Microsoft Word or other document. So as you see, I've uploaded my document, and rather than use these left-hand icons that we've used in the past, instead we're going to come over to the right where you have this little pencil, and if you hover over it, you get, as you can see, blur text or delete image. So I'm going to click onto that, and now I have other options that are given to me. And when you hover again, it'll tell you exactly what you have. So blur out text on the image, that's what I want to do. So let's say I want to cover up the past participles and have those be the information that the students have to recall. So I'll click on this, and then I click here to blur what's there. And then that didn't fully blur, so I'm going to enlarge my area. Click on that. Great. Try again. So now I've got this one. I continue. And I'm covering up the entire sentence because the sentence contains the past participle. So you carry on. You do this a number of times. If I wanted to, I would certainly be able to do some of these with the infinitives covered rather than just the past participles, but let's say this were for a standard class, the consistency would probably be key. So I'm going to cover all of that. So here we go. So now I am through. I'm going to hit check, save changes. Takes a moment to process. And now I can go through and do exactly what I've done in the past, either with a bullet or a rectangle. I really like the rectangles. So I'll click a rectangle, and participe passé of maître, the past participle of maître is me. There you go. I'm going to choose my language to be French, and that will maintain throughout the rest of this. Add, done. Same thing as I do here, permettre. I will add permis, and you'll note that the minute that I've chosen my language, all of my accents come up, and this becomes my default, which is a really nice feature. And then I hit add, done, and I carry on. So let's say I prefer doing a point. Click on the point option, click here. There's my point, nice little circle, and I can carry on like this. And then when I'm through, I would go on and do all of these. So if, say, I wanted to do some other weird shape, I could do that, click some shapes, come back to my original. That's the form. Add, done, hit create, saving. Now I can save to wherever I'd like, or for now dismiss that. And I'm ready to start. Either learning, writing, testing, matching is always a fun one. Start the game. I've got on the right hand side my options followed by what's going to go here. Prix, that's there. Oh no, I did a bad job. So let's try again. There we go. Compris, and voila. And there you have it. Let's say I don't want to play again. I want to go back, right, and now it tells me what I need to do. I click on my square, type in, hit the answer, or maybe I don't know, and then I get the information. That is all.